Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Black Ops 3 not opening. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type graphics settings and make sure to turn on this option. Turn it on and then go back, click here, go to Windows Update settings and then check for updates, and after that make sure you have the latest updates for your Windows. And then you go to GeForce Experience and now go to drivers and then check for updates. Now if you find any update, just download it and then install it. Now restart your computer and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.